my knife? Hello, my lovelies. I hope you are all doing fabulous today. I am doing a quick little BoxyCharm because it just came in today and I want to do a jump on it before we completely go past it. If I don't do it the moment it arrives, it doesn't get done. All right, Ciate Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. Let's check it out. It's just a nice little dewy to go over your makeup and give you a little bit of dewy highlights. Our next item on the board is Bye Bye Puffy Eyes, a cooling eye balm by Glow On Fifth Beauty. I love to spoil my skin with skincare products, so I'm really excited I get this one. And then we have a signature palette, Symphony. It is by Ofra Beauty. So there's the palette. That is beautiful. I am digging these colors. I love a good neutrally palette. It looks like it's got some nice purpley browns and a nice burgundy and a gold. Woo! Yes. And then we have Better Than Sex Voluptuous Volume Mascara by Too Faced. I will admit I've been wanting to try this. Ooh, nice. This is going home with me. We have Black Phantom Liner. It's a liquid dip liner with a precision tip. And this one is by Tint. I had something else by Tint. Oh, it was like a brow mascara liner thingy. It worked actually really good. It was like a duo thing. Ooh, check out that. That is a nice fine liner tip. I'm probably gonna keep it for myself. I don't usually use liner very much because mostly I'm blind and it's hard to do eyeliner on yourself. When you take the glasses off, you're like, I can't see. But I like that, and it's got a nice precision tip. So there you have it. This month's BoxyCharms. I hope you enjoy yours. If you got it, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you have any comments and all the fun stuff. So yeah, bye.